You know what? I love riding my bike, even when it's like this. It's a sunny, beautiful Mother's Day today. A lot of cows having lunch. And the road seems endless. Though I know it's gonna end in a beautiful lake today, Furnas Lake, the second biggest lake in Brazil. People who follow me for some time now, they already know that. I just love my weekends doing this kind of stuff. I can hear so many birds. Not right now, but once in a while there is some from far away. Different birds, different ways of singing. There is at least one bird trying to hop from one horse to the other to eat the parasites from them, the ticks or something.